Hi children, today we are going to learn about alphabet with phonic sounds. Sounds. So we know the capital and small letter, no? So this is the capital A from down to up, then down. Capital A, small a. Sound is A. Capital B, small b. Sound is B. Capital C, small c. Sound is K. Capital D, small d. Sound is D. Capital E, small e. Sound is A. Capital F, small f. Sound is capital G, small g. Sound is G. Capital H, small h. Sound is capital I, small I. Sound is E. Capital J, small j. Sound is G. Capital K, small k. Sound is K. Capital L, small l. Sound is L. Capital M, small m. Sound is M. Capital N, small n. Sound is N. Capital O, small o. Sound is A. Capital P, small p. Sound is P. Capital Q, small q. Sound is Q. Capital R, small r. Sound is R. Capital S, small s. Sound is S. Capital T, small t. Sound is T. Capital U, small u. Sound is A. Capital V, small v. Sound is V. Capital W, small w. Sound is W. Capital X, small x. Sound is X. Capital Y, small y. Sound is Y. Capital Z, small z. Sound is Z. How to practice in your home and also practice in writing a 4 rule book. Okay, thank you.